Hello, loved one. Thank you for being here today. Before we begin this activity of light today, I wanted to invite you to explore something a little deeper and a little more subtle. During times of fear and uncertainty, we often try to find stability by changing what we feel or controlling what's happening around us. But there's another way of meeting these moments, one that doesn't require you to fix anything, but instead invites you to shift where you're relating from. Rather than being inside the experience, you begin to become the space that can hold the experience. And this space isn't empty. It's aware, it's responsive, it's deeply connected. It's the part of you that can observe without becoming overwhelmed. And as you begin to rest in that awareness, you may notice something else. That this space within you is not separate. It's connected to a much larger field, a field of intelligence, of presence, of subtle support, the higher realms. Not as something outside of you, but as something you are already in relationship with. And one of the most powerful ways to access this connection is through our heart center. Not just emotionally, but energetically. Because within the heart center, there is a sacred intelligence, a point of connection between your individual awareness and this greater field of light. So in this activity of light, we are going to work with that through the violet flame within the heart. You can think of this flame as a living presence, a transformative, compassionate intelligence that doesn't force change, but gently brings everything back into balance. And as you connect with this flame, while also resting as the awareness that holds it, something begins to shift. You become both grounded and expanded, held within yourself and supported by something greater. And from that place, you don't have to push fear away. You don't have to fix uncertainty. You begin to meet it within a field of compassion, within a space that is already connected to love. And this is how we begin to support not only ourselves, but others. Because when you are anchored in this kind of presence, you naturally bring more steadiness, more openness, more compassion into every space you enter. So as we move into this activity of light, just allow yourself to be open. You do not need to do anything perfectly. You don't need to create an experience. Just be willing to soften, to notice, and to gently reconnect with the space within you and the flame within your heart that has always been there. And when you are ready, we will begin.
Just begin by arriving even more fully now, allowing the outer world to gently fall away, not by effort, but as a natural softening. As you bring awareness to your breath, slow, quiet, And with each exhale, feel yourself descending not downward, but inward, as if you are moving through layers of awareness, past the surface of thought, past the subtle movements of emotion, and into a deeper, quieter field within you. And you may begin to notice a stillness here, not empty, but alive. A vast, spacious presence here that has always been, waiting without urgency. And as you rest your awareness in this space, gently begin to bring your awareness to the center of your chest, your heart space. And within this inner space, not just in the physical body, but in the subtle energetic field of your being, you may begin to sense a small radiant violet flame. Quiet, steady, eternal. This flame is ancient, a sacred fire of transmutation, of divine intelligence, of pure compassion. It has always been with you, not created, but remembered. And as your awareness rests upon this flame, it begins to respond, not by growing forcefully, but by revealing more of itself, as if it opens into a deeper dimension within your heart. And you may sense that this flame is not only light, it is consciousness, a living presence, a bridge between your human awareness and the greater field of divine knowing. And as you gently breathe into this space, the violet flame begins to expand. First within the inner chamber of your heart, illuminating spaces unseen, softening what has been held, transmuting without effort, not removing anything but returning all energy to its original coherence, to love. And as this sacred fire stabilizes, you may begin to feel a deep inner anchoring, as if your awareness is now rooted within this flame, not tossed by the surface waves, but resting in a deeper current. And from this place, you may begin to sense a subtle, luminous field surrounding this flame, as if the higher realms are not above you, but gently interwoven within this very space, supporting, harmonizing, amplifying the intelligence of this flame. And you may feel that you are not channeling something outside of you. You are remembering your place within a united field of light. where your heart is both uniquely yours and universally connected. And as this awareness deepens, the violet flame begins to expand beyond the heart, flowing through your entire body, through your chest, your shoulders, your arms, down through your torso, your legs, into your feet, and rising upward through your throat and mind, gently illuminating your whole being, not overwhelming but stabilizing like a steady, sacred current. And as this field of violet light becomes coherent within you, you may notice that fear and uncertainty no longer take root in the same way. They may arise, but they are immediately met, held, softened, transmuted within this flame. And now allow this flame to expand just slightly beyond your physical form. Not reaching, not sending, but naturally radiating like a quiet sun. And within this expanded field, you may begin to sense other beings, not as separate, but as expressions within the same field of awareness. Each one carrying their own flame, whether remembered or waiting to be remembered. And from this place, you understand. You do not need to fix, or change, or carry. You simply remain anchored in your own coherence. And in doing so, your presence becomes a stabilizing force, a gentle invitation, a resonance of compassion, and this is how we empower others through embodiment, through presence, through the quiet, unwavering truth of the flame within. And as this awareness continues to expand, you may begin to sense a vast network of light, interconnected, alive, responsive. All beings of light, seen and unseen, interwoven through this field and the violet flame within your heart. It is not separate from this network. It is a point of access, a gateway, a living expression of the same infinite intelligence. As you rest in this knowing, gently affirm within, I am anchored in the violet flame within my heart. I am supported by the higher realms of light. I transmute fear into compassion through my presence. I am a steady and loving force in times of uncertainty. I am connected to all beings through the field of light. And allow these words to become frequency, to settle into your being. And now rest here for a few moments in stillness, in connection, in sacred presence. And when you are ready, gently begin to return, bringing awareness back to your breath, back into your body, carrying this grounded, sacred connection with you, knowing the violet flame within your heart is always here, steady, eternal, transformative, a source of stability, of compassion, of deep connection. And as you move forward, you do so as a living presence of light, anchored, supported, and connected to all. And so it is. Namaste.